forward-looking leaders. Even the governor is up there. By the way, should we have the next president from Murang'a? That's not what it is. Thank you.
I now invite Ambassador Ramogi to begin by and please to Salimia na Chinese.
Yes, the Governor of Murang'a, the First Lady, the Excellent Deputy Governor, all the other protocols observed, and I also have to acknowledge my dear colleagues. It's really an honor and a privilege to serve in this forum. And I thank you, the Governor, for finding me worthy to serve in this forum. I'm really looking forward to use it, and I noted that I was appointed for external entities to use my leverage on my external entities, especially the one that I learned when I was the ambassador for a short time. The People's Republic of China, and I also intend to use the leverage of the other ambassadors in other countries to bring all the experiences and all the good things to Murang'a. I am happy that now I now have a forum in which I am able to actually do something directly to help the benefit of Murang'a County. I also want to add my voice to thank the Governor for the work you have done. We are so encouraged that we really have a foundation already in which to spring up ourselves as we work in the Economic Council, Economic Forum. I am more, in fact, I have a lot of interest in addressing the issues of Murang'a being a county where it's agricultural, in addressing the trade for our agricultural products. And in addressing the trade of agricultural products, I am looking at addressing the issue of the cost of production. And I've been speaking to you, and you're aware that we're looking at a program in which we shall be able to address the cost of production and increase the production. And then thereafter, we are looking at addressing the issue of post-harvest process by doing value addition. Those are really things, is a pet project for me. I am really looking forward, and I'm also looking forward to introduce the program to my fellow colleagues in the Economic Forum so that I can get their support and their experience and their advice so that we can work for the benefit of the county. Your Excellency, I am ready to serve. Thank you.
To begin the entire council of office,
tuanze kulipa kadi sasa, na kadi ni cashless.
Umesema tunaweka pale?
Yako ile namba.
Mimi niko na cash.
Nisaidie hiyo do na namba yako ya simu. Na kusote.
Kama wewe ni abiria wa matatu, iwe safari fupi au ndefu, hakikisha umelipa nauli yako ukitumia fomu za kidijitali. Hakikisha umepata risiti yako kwa simu yako in case kuna issue na unahitaji kulipwa na insurer. Risiti yako, yani your digital receipt, ndio ushahidi wako. Mambo ni digital. Wasiliana na mhudumu wako wa bima kwa maelezo zaidi.
Ladies and gentlemen, a momentous celebration is here. Citizen Digital proudly marks its 2nd anniversary with an incredible milestone. We've made history. Citizen Digital is the first channel to soar past 2 billion views on YouTube. Not just that, we stand tall with the highest number of YouTube subscribers in Kenya. Join us in this phenomenal celebration of achievement, innovation, and incredible support from you, our viewers. Thank you, Kenya, for making Citizen Digital the #1 app for your news, entertainment, and a great deal of engaging content.
Tumbe mowa kelonu, otenore endadu magi.
Ramogi night, chenro makeloni luwo benga luwo rumba kachiel gi ajao.
To kure kodwa bedo mondisore.
Ano pete kandiko jokokota we imam.
Ana miela zipea onge ngama wacho.
Wela pomo chandaga. Umechiwa kanino.
Ramogi night.
Tumoketo wiya. Makinungo.
Teacher Beach, Sangwen Otieno. Chenro mami thuolo mokwongo mar neno kendo winjo gik motimore e paw tuke.
Anyisi ni mpira yete kairi mokalo e paw tuke.
Kochakore gi weche mamulo chuny nyaka mago mamulo pach ji. Wan go duto.
7.65, can you believe it?
Mbaka makende gi jotugo kod joma ong'ere weche tuke.
Jong'e man jo Kenya jong'wech. But ino ka jomoko nobiro kod tuke moko ma ken popular ahinya to ne gibiro gi perform maber kwa kaka yiego.
Nonro matut kod weche manyien mag tuke mowuok e piny mangima.
Football is not only physical, mentally teacher benity. It calls for more character than just being a legend.
Pau tuke, kama tuke osiko, ngeso ka ngeso, saboro odiochieng'.
We must not, as young people, to respect age. These are people who are still young, still much. And as the Swahili say, so we believe that we help us and Murang'a can only become better. The vision that we have for this county of Murang'a is a vision where the government will have is pro-business. Most of you are eminent business people. Let's create an environment that attracts the best investment in this county. That if you're a business person, you want to open a business, you create an environment for young people so that you are able to get a little bit of more taxes, local or source revenue, so that we are able to utilize that tax for the benefit of people of Murang'a. When you look at the composition of this council, get the signal that Murang'a means business. Ours is pure concentration on development, and we are not that you are going to critique us when we go on. To the county employees, even as you welcome this new council, allow me also to set a date. And the date is we must now uplift our efforts and our standards upward. For all the reason, the people of the people who are not changes. They are people who do not want to be associated with a county that has scandals, that has controversies. They have built a reputation over the years, and they now value that reputation more than any other. So the very fact they are doing that, it also means our standards have to go up to measure with the standards. So please, even as we celebrate psychologically, we just know going for our standards now should be up there. Because it is through the new standards they have opened the best banks in this republic. They have made major organizations in this republic. They have major broadcasting entities in this republic, achievement in the academia, appointments in various important public positions. So therefore, you as an employee going for just know, you must do our best to raise our standards, because the people who are now advising us, their standards are high. Allow me now to introduce for that first introduction, we start with the chief officers come here, your name and what you do, and then sit down, then you can see start with chief officers, please. Start with chief officers. Please. I know some people are not with us, so just let me vote you.
Excellency the Governor, the Excellency the First Lady, the movement of protocol. My name is Alexander Ramogi, Chief Officer of the Services. My name is Dr. I'm the Chief Officer in charge of agriculture, livestock, and fishery. It's a good pleasure to have you. Thank you. My name is Dr. Chief Officer in Vision and Technical Training. Good morning. My name is Samuel Ramogi, Chief Officer, Governors Delivery. Good afternoon. My name is Bajet, Chief Officer of Water, Environment and Climate Change. We are 200 million. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Duol, Chief Officer of Education and Media. Our pleasure for you. Thank you. Good morning. Everyone, Chief Officer, Public Service and Administration, assigned. Good afternoon. It's my pleasure to welcome all of you. My name is Ramogi, the CEC for Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. My name is Ramogi. I'm CCF for Water, Irrigation, Environment and Climate Change. We'll be happy to work with you. Good afternoon. My name is Murang'a. I'm the CC for Trade, Industry, Tourism and Cooperative, and I'm very much happy to have you on. Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Murang'a, CEC, Roads, Housing and Infrastructure. It's a pleasure to be with us. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Murang'a, with the CC and Public Service and Administration. Professor, it's a pleasure to see you once again. God bless you. Again, my name is James Duol. I'm the current attorney, the equivalent of Attorney General in the national government. And I was privileged to help in teaching in conducting the swearing-in. And I want to take the cue from Dr. Bajet to recognize my colleague, Ambassador, Advocate, and Mr. Gina, who is also an advocate. The governor is also an advocate, and Dr. Kate is an advocate. And we are privileged to have this Honorable Council as part of our team. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Ramogi. I'm the Secretary and Head of County Public Service. And I also wish to introduce our legal advisor, Mr. Bajet. Charles Baker, that's my name. Advocate, County Legal Advisor. Thank you. So, we wish to welcome our speaker, Honorable introduce the law of the Community Assembly, and then welcome our Deputy Governor. Can you introduce the Thank you, Your Excellency, the Governor, Excellency, First Lady, Deputy Governor, my Bishop, members of the Economic Council, my colleagues in the Assembly,
CECs, CEOs, members of the foreign states, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm going to introduce the team, but before I do so, let me take this as an opportunity to congratulate the team. I think the governor can make it you've done the apex of what we expected. And thank you very much for being fast and furious. Because if you were not fast enough, then some of these men would not have gotten them. Second, government is dangerous, and the foreign action was quite okay. I know that our work is the other arm for the county government, which is the legislature. Sometimes we don't see so much because we need to do our work on the rooftops. Our main work during the years is oversight, legislation, and representation. And why we hear silent is because the governor has complied with that very well. Coming to representation, the governor is always consulting. He consults the assembly, and we see one, look at things, and agree. In terms of legislation, and I want to tell you the main word today that you are here because the legislation is clear, and the governor follows that very well. When it comes to the oversight, I think we do that very well. Unlike in other counties where you see people calling the media to oversight, we don't think that is the right way to do things. As we sit down, it has not been easy, I can tell you. We have sat down and brought issues and discussed and made the reform. So we are telling you that other than the executive arm of the government, there is the legislation arm, and it takes two to tango. There is no way that the governor will do all those things that he showed you in the screen there without the approval of the assembly. Needless to say, I lead a team that is very, very committed to the people of Murang'a. We have vowed that we shall burn that thing with oil to make sure that governor executes his work without delays. Like I said, delays are dangerous. If it calls us to call for special sittings, we will do that. But I put a rider only if whatever he wants is for the benefit of the people of Murang'a. So at this juncture, I will request that the team come here. My colleagues in the assembly, please come on. Members, we have 47 members of the county assembly, 35 elected, and 12 nominated. And I want to tell you, we've never had an assembly like we have today, with over 60% graduates, university graduates, and about 30% master degree holders. So, well, that is why you don't see on rooftops. We never see us on rooftops. We believe that matters to do with oversight is not a show-off, it's not a talk show, it's an issue of sitting down, discussing, understanding each other, and moving the county forward. I'll call the leader of majority to take over and then introduce the other team.
Thank you, Speaker. Our Governor in the Court of Observers. My name is Ibe Wasari, representing your ward in Kabasa County. I am the leader of majority in County Assembly. Our Governor in this state, Murang'a can only be the best. Murang'a can only be the leading county in the Republic of Kenya. We have a leadership with us. Let me start with the chair Bajet. So thank you.
Thank you very much, Leader of Majority, our Speaker, Your Excellency the Governor, the team. My name is Charles Mashiro Karina. I'm the area NCA representing the good people of Township Board in our county assembly. And again, as I said earlier, I'm the chairperson of Budget and Appropriation Committee. Mine is just to thank the Governor for what we have done, because I had an opportunity to be the previous government or the previous assembly. And actually what you have done to us is you have done a very good because this kind of race, we have been trying in the previous government to bring them to work together and have a program. Today we are very, very happy. I don't know whichever method that you use, maybe even to choose the best brain in the whole country. And as you are saying that, we must up our game, because these are people of high integrity, and I know that working with them, Murang'a will never be the same again. We are 1 year old, and we can say that with our government, when we are working with our government, we are working very well, because he's a consultative leader. He consults us in whatever he does. And maybe we are also the same. I know we are going to move this country to another level. Thank you very much, and God bless you, and wish you all the best.
From the chair, the nurse. Your Excellency, the Governor, all Progressive Club. My name is John Ramogi, member of the Assembly Gatanga, and I also I am the chair of Finance and Economic Planning in the County Assembly. Governor, I must thank you profusely for bringing these great minds together. And I want to welcome you and attest to the fact that you will not have joined Murang'a County at a better time, because all the economic indicators in Murang'a County since Governor Kanaka was elected are on upward trajectory. I want to thank you very much, Governor, because of allowing us the space to work with you. And I know that with these great minds here, they will be of great help in helping us to show our people from the lies and abyss that they have been shoved into by the previous administration. I must say that because it is the truth. And I must say that because most of these people here, presented here, have a historical memory of what was happening in Murang'a previously. So, Governor, thank you very much. And I can tell you for free that you have a committed team. We work very closely with the Governor in the Assembly. And I can tell you the CIDP that we passed for the next 5 years is a beautiful story of where our county should be. And if we follow that story strictly without deviating from it, I think Murang'a will be big. I also am very happy to see S.K. Mashari. He comes from my neck of the wood, and I've been intending to meet him, and I've never had an opportunity to do that. What a great opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. The Deputy Executive.
Your Excellency, our Governor, and our protocols observed. My name is Stephen Bugetman. I represent the good people of Kakuzi Duol, and I also serve as the Deputy Majority Whip in the Assembly. Allow me, I can only see skills, knowledge, and experience. And as a like saying, and I repeatedly say, a saying by the English, that to whom much is given, much is expected. We are now set on another note. Murang'a is going higher. Now that we have you as a team working behind making sure that Murang'a accomplishes what our government is intending to do. I would like to applaud also our governor for the support that he has given the county. And I must assure you that as our colleague said and our speaker said, anything that will come to the assembly for our deliberation, we will make sure that we support it. We look forward working with you people. We look forward seeing a lot coming from you to the assembly, and we are going to support it. Thank you.
Kwa leadership tunayojenga, Mheshimiwa Lee.
Good afternoon. My name is is more than one over. To our Excellency the Governor, my fellow bishop, and all protocol served. I'm a member of the county, Kenona Ward, and I'm glad to have one of my voter is a council with me here, Wakil Ambassador Murang'a. Thank you very much. I really want to thank you, our Governor, for what he has done, what he is doing right now, because what I know is at least even when you're coming in, you can see he has already set a place where we can only raise the bar, we can only help him to move up and make sure that his legacy and make sure that whatever we promised our community and we want to do, it has come to pass. So I'm very grateful to see you all here. I'm grateful because I have worked with chairman during the other government. The other government I have worked with the minister. I have done mentorship with Modon, and all of you I have seen in different capacities. And what I know is now we are moving ahead. We want to promise you in the county assembly, and I did with our majority, the deputy leader of majority, we are going to accord our governor a full support to make sure that whatever they want from the assembly, we are going to give them the support. Thank you very much, and I'm very happy to see you, ladies and my girls. We are going to work together, and we're going to make this county great. We have our first lady here, so whatever that is for women, we are there, and we're going to make it happen. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Very able deputy majority, so now the majority quick. So, thank you. Your Excellency, the Governor, the Deputy Governor, members of Bajet and Economic Forum, and everyone on board. Good afternoon. Honorable Deputy Majority, I have heard someone saying they're not girls, they're mothers. My name is Maurice Tuku Gadoni. I'm an elected member of County Assembly from Kiru Ward in Mafioya Sub-County. I'll be very brief in the interest of time. Mine is to thank everyone, especially the members of Bajet and Economic Forum, for agreeing to this great cause to serve in Murang'a. I know it's not easy considering your busy schedules, and with a lot of humility, we are going to support you. My only request, with Excellency the Governor, I believe in the work plan. We look forward to have a retreat with the County Assembly, because I believe most of the ideas they are likely to have will require a lot of input from the Assembly, so that we can also board as we make for an agreement. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lastly, we have the authority of the Deputy Speaker, and as the majority percent, maybe our Governor and our Speaker should be organized for a meeting between the Economic Council and the members of the County Assembly, just one meeting, so that we will discuss matters that concern our county and the development of our county. So thank you, our Speaker.
Thank you, I appreciate them, and I tell you our witness that I have put it, and that we are very happy. In conclusion, Governor, I think you got better cream out of this country, and once again, congratulations. I know where the history of this country is written, you will have more than 3 chapters. I have a side hustle. I have a people listening. It's good to mention that I am an architect in private practice. I do project management and project finance. I also acknowledge 2 of my PhDs, not that I had a hand in this. I have Dr. Moka and Dr. Jimna on the list of Kandema. So thank you so much. It is now my humble duty to invite the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Murang'a, to address this conversation.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, Your Excellency, the Governor of Murang'a, these esteemed colleagues in the Bajet and Economic Council, the First Lady, my Lord Bishop, members of the County Assembly and the Executive, good afternoon. My name is Murang'a, and I'm extremely humbled and grateful that these distinguished gentlemen and ladies have decided to come and support us. A story is told in philosophy about a king who went to wise men across the country seeking for wisdom. And the debate rages about who is more wise, the wise man or the person who went to search for wisdom. I have no doubt that at the end of the day, regardless of who is wise, but the wisdom that was rendered and was given was to the benefit of the people. I look forward to supporting this Murang'a County Budget and Economic Council, largely because I also took a vote to support the vision of His Excellency the Governor and also support his agenda in this county. And I know that the wisdom that led him to take this team to advise me is the same wisdom that gave him the opportunity to serve the people of Murang'a. And we look forward to ensuring that the ideas generated from this team, the ideas that are going to be generated to move this county forward, I want also to go down in the history, not an impediment to the progress of the people of Murang'a, but rather a supporter of this great team. And so, therefore, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to tell you and also to this team that my energy is going to be dedicated to supporting the ideas generated and ensuring that they get the necessary support within the cabinet so that we can move this county forward. Your Excellency, I do not want to take much time, but I also want to take this opportunity to recognize your First Lady. And before I hand this mic back to you, maybe you can, yes, so that you can, nilikuwa naogopa kidogo kumtroduce mimi.
The Governor, members of the Economic Forum, the Deputy Governor, our Bishop, or Protocol staff, good afternoon. Yeah, my name is Lady Wangui Kanata, and I'm happy for this day. We are in Murang'a, people are happy. In the book of Matthew, Jesus was called to serve. And you have been called by God to serve. May you serve with humility, integrity for the people of Murang'a. And I'm wishing you well. I'm prophesying good health to you and your families. God bless you and we love you.
Thank you very much. Ramogi. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to conclude and hand this mic back to you, to the County Secretary, so that we can have the other arrangements dictated to us. Karibu sana, County Secretary.
Thank you, the Excellency, the Governor, members of the Council of the we have the youngest Deputy Governor in the Party Committee. And so thank you. At this point, and I wish to invite the Secretary to come over here and move our vote of our hands. Once it's through, Dr. Vini, usually do the final prayer. Then after the final prayer, members of the executive, CC, usually join the members of the council and broadcast our interaction session. Thank you. God bless you. We're happy that you have attended, and we're very glad to be back together in the way forward.
Thank you so much, County Secretary. Governor, mine is going to be very short. A lot has been said, and I don't want to repeat what has been said by the others. I just want to thank the Economic Council, the Economic Forum, Bajet Economic Forum, for really accepting this appointment. It's a very critical appointment, especially coming at the county level. A lot of people have inquired about when this appointment was announced. People who called me were asking me, why is this team? Why are we not seeing a similar team at the national level? Those are the kind of comments that we're getting. And our response to them was, as it has been said, that if we fix the counties, we can actually fix the country. So, like we are told by the Mzungu, if you take care of the pennies, the dollars will take care of themselves. So take care of the county, and the national government will take care of itself. So we really appreciate. And when you look at the expertise of the people that we have, as the governor said, these are people who are really movers and shakers. And as we work anew, we also expect and hope to see the county government of Murang'a and the entire county moving forward the same way that the industries that have led have actually moved forward. Looking at the Mount Kenya region, we are usually told that the economy of the Mount Kenya region contributes to around 28% of the country's GDP. And actually that 28% is much bigger than the economy of Rwanda. And for that 28%, a big chunk of it is from Murang'a County. So, as we look forward to the next 5 years or 10 years, we would like to see a nation where the economy of Murang'a is actually bigger than that of Rwanda. And I'm sure we can achieve that. Because when you look at the potential of this region, the potential of Murang'a, you can see that Kenya is actually the largest producer of avocado and pineapple in Africa. And in that field, Murang'a happens to be the biggest producer of avocado in this country. When you look at macadamia, Kenya is the third largest producer of macadamia in the world. And in that league, Murang'a also plays a very big role. When you look at coffee, Kenya is the fifth largest producer of coffee in Africa. And the sixth largest producer of potatoes in Africa. As Governor said, as we celebrate the milestones that we have achieved in the last 1 year, there are also very many challenges that we would like to tap into expertise to resolve. And when I look at my department, finance and economic planning and revenue collection, when we interact with the Commission for Revenue Allocation, we are told that our potential for revenue is actually 3 billion per year. In the previous government, we have never collected more than 500 million. This year, we are targeting to hit 1 billion. But we are told our potential is 3 billion. So with this expertise, once we grow the industries, we expect to generate much more revenue from the EPZ that the governor talks about, from the kite, from the agriculture, from the farming, from the avocado, from the cottage industries, and I'm sure with your support, we are able to grow that direction. I also wish to thank the County Assembly. As the Speaker has said, without the support of the County Assembly, we would not have seen the kind of milestones that we have achieved in the last 1 year. So, County Assembly, thank you so much for your support. We work very well together. Whenever we go to those meetings, committees, we are coming up with a bill, we are coming up with a policy. We always been supporting, and we appreciate your input. Your ideas are always very idealistic, and they help us a lot in coming up with laws and policies that can support the growth of the economy of Murang'a. Staff members who have come and who have been working with us, we also appreciate. We are all in driving the county, because as the governor sits in the governor's office, the governor is the one who is steering that ship of Murang'a. But as they steer the wheel of Murang'a, if you don't give people who are rowing, the rowing on the boat, if you don't people who are rowing the boat, the county, the vehicle,
Kod johot moerore ritore.
Yakocha. Hey. Timondo ndisori.
Wayudo ng'eyo tonggi.
Ipani akia gik mitimoga.
Uro wengi donje matusi na ukweli donge.
Yud mor e ngimani kokalo e gik matindo.
Udogo shwag wene musajakadala.
Justice for all.
Miane ngima nyar kochia. Kod osiepene kachiel kod joodgi.
I am busy. Gima ruoth omiyo kana wene jachien.
Sama giromo gi pek mar ngima, joot kod osiepe.
Nyasaye neno gi wang'i ma ok opimni. Akwaye ni mondo imak tieja karibu to kopuodho
tileu chunye.
Ok ginyal weyi ma ok inyiero.
Nyakucha irachna e joka. Koka ite to tegore mana ka ita puoyo maniego.
Nyarko chia. Tich abich ka tich abich, saa 1:55 otieno. Mana Ramogi TV. Fwenyo chuny kitwa.
Ang'o miyo yie ni chako mana mine? Dak ne chako yie chuo.
Yie ni chako mine nikech mine ma pito.
Ng'e sigana kod kido manyiso ber kod mit piny.
Ike jaduong' mane okuongo kama ni luongo jaduong' Ngeso Kosanjo. Kaluwore kaka kidi ma jaduong' ohero kaka chiege maduong'. Kidi jaduong' ni Kit Mikai.
Kendo rom kod jorit kitwa.
Mondo ne en dero mar jaduong' madhaka mora mora ok dhi.
Piny mamako dhogi.
Kamaru biro to maru to e dala. Iyecho ne tie. Omake amaka kama nyawana adhiya kinywana limi.
Riuri kod Rabala Kwasi owad gi Rajabu.
Kendo kor go jonam grech en duoko rech mane iseng'iewo.
E 111. Ngeso ka ngeso saa 1:45 otieno. Mana Ramogi TV.
Inyalo goyo kwan kod omenda ma aching' kata ma ikete bahasha ka isiko itiyo kod omenda mohingo kaka onego itigo. Tema ne keto e bahasha omenda ma idwaro tiyogo kama moko to ikung kata ika.
Ikrini wuoth makende mar puonjruok weche thieth kod rito ngima ji.
Nitie gik moko mwanyalo timo mondo mi wageng' tuoni.
Kochakore kar yeng'o nyaka kuonde thieth.
Kiki muony yath mora mora kapok daktari opuodho.
Wabiro wuoyo gi ji e yo mabiro mulo chunyi kendo miyo pachi yawre.
Awuoyo about cerebral palsy. Anyalo nyiso jonyuol mamoko ni gimbe kigiluor.
Ng'eyo en teko. To kodok korka ngima mar del, bedo gi ng'eyo nyalo kelo lokruok maduong'.
Wach chanjo ma jomadongo ng'eny ji ok dhi nikech ng'eny ji kia.
Bende wariwo jowinjo wa e mbaka madhi nyime kokalo kuom nonro matimore e lela.
Nitie program moro mabiro miluongo ni penj laktar. Ober ahinya nikech opuonjo gik mang'eny.
Koda ka tudruok e yor mbui. Riwri kod Ruth Otieno e penj laktar. Wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 12 odhiambo. Mana Ramogi TV. Chenro ni miyo ngeso ka ngeso kinyi bedo maber kendo maler moloyo. Wan gi talanta. Loso gi lwedo. Wapuonji tedo. Miel manyasani. Sigana kod moko mamit.
Yeye ni mrefu hadi ndege kipita naomba change.
Chenro mar nyithindo mawuoyo e wi nyithindo kendo makelo ni gi nyithindo. Kikelo ni kod Loxp, Sally the Queen gi Josephine George. Mana e rogo mar nyithindo e Ramogi TV.
Sasa kwa sao moja tu unaweza pata third party cover for your private motor vehicle valid for 30 days. Say goodbye to expensive motor vehicle insurance. Pata bima kutoka Direct Line Assurance. Kujisajili bonyeza *487#. Weka namba plate ya gari yako, ID namba yako, email address yako na ulipe thao moja tu. And your digital cover will be sent to you instantly. Collect your sticker at your nearest Total service station. Dial *487# upate third party motor insurance valid for 30 days. Pap, ni thao tu.
Wabedo jomaler e ngimawa ka warito ler mar pachwa.
Kila neno lake lanikumbusha dunia hii inapita.
Kod winjruok gi Nyasaye. Winj wende Sabato.
Jifunze kuridhika na kile ulicho nacho. Shukuru Mungu wakati wote.
Mamiyo wa thuolo maber mar wer kendo pako Nyasaye gi chuny moikore.
Kama si wewe singelikuwa hapa.
Walando gi kinda wach maber mar Nyasaye.
Nyasaye okoso ni kanye ma weche olokore ngima ni di ma ok inyal paro kama ni wuoke
ng'e teko mar riwruok kokalo kuom lamo kod wer. Injili ngima, Sabato ka Sabato, mana e Ramogi TV. Obed pau siasa, ohala, telo, thieth, jiwo ratich oganda, kata mana somo.
Ka onge jiwruok e kindwa to ok wabi bet.
Ng'ama miyo, duonde kata tekone nyisore e okang' mamalo.
Dhowa ni can do so much. Wuo gi ng'ama nyalo wuoyogo, many network ni.
Kamora mora ma intie pacho ka. Mine osekelo dongruok mathoth e pewe magimako, kendo lony margi kelo lokruok mathoth.
Asementa ji moromo, kendo I'm very proud of that.
Winj lony, jip kod puonj magichiwo.
Gimoro amora midwa timo, tim gi tekoni te gi chunyi te, nikech mano kende e yo minyalo dongori godo motegno.
Ngeso ka ngeso e chenro mar Mine Wacho kod Jaelieta. Ohala gi mwandu, wakelo ni jolony e weche ohala.
It is important mondo wan kaka joluo wabed gi dongruok.
Wafwenyo ni adiera matut mag timo ohala.
Tijni kidwa time en mana mashin mar luoko to gi kuminya yude pi.
Wawuoyo e wi yore makare mag timo ohala.
Kisechopo level mabedo brand, mondo beni gimoro amora mitimo en gima timo ang'o makelo pesa.
Wakonyi dongo handi ka wami yore mag kano mwandu.
Investment group kawache mana gi nyinge no en choko pesa kasto ikete kamoro kasto golo nyinyo.
Mabiro konyi e kinde mabiro.
Omiyo wakwayo ni ji duto ket pesa gi e savings mondo wapuonji kaka gibiro tiyo godo.
Riwri kodwa chieng' tich ang'wen saa 1:45 otieno, mana e Ramogi TV.
Ligi yako usiposi issues.
Minchabikina na deku place tena, nilieka kichwa yangu ikabai tenda.
Play responsibly.
Zaki